Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my card sketch number 147. This was the template. The template was posted on Monday on my website, and then this was my twist on the template. So you can see that I used the Mossy Meadow cardstock with the Heartwarming Hugs designer paper. Isn't it beautiful? So then I made a bunch of these cards for my hostess for my local club, ladies, Lisa, and these were her cards. Aren't they beautiful? These are using the brightly gleaming designer paper with the copper foil sheet and then the Night of Navy. So these were her hostess cards. She gets 5 cards. And then we're going to make one using the Gilded Autumn designer paper. Let me show you that. So here's the one we're going to make today. Isn't that pretty? Whew, I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the Happy Christmas is from the Snow Wonder, which is right here, Happy Christmas. And then the ones that I made for Lisa, I used the Wrapped in Christmas, which is Christmas blessings to you and yours, which is that greetings right there. Okay, and then this stamp set we're going to use for today's card. Let me show you that stamp set. So this is Life is Better with You right here, and this is from the Beautiful Autumn stamp set. It's right down here. Beautiful. All right, so let me give you the layers for this card. The measurements for the Early Espresso is your base card, which is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then you're going to use 2 pieces of Very Vanilla. These are both cut at 4 by 5 1/4. One's for the front, one's for the inside. Then a piece of the gold foil sheet. Hopefully this isn't giving too much of a glare on my camera. This piece is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then you're going to need 3 strips cut at 7/8 by 4 1/8. And then the strips of the Gilded Autumn. These are the designs that we're using today on the card. Aren't they pretty? And they're double-sided. It's almost hard to decide what side you want to have on your card. They're all so beautiful. And what's nice with this card is you can use your scraps of your designer paper. So these 3 are cut at 3/4 by 4. Okay, and then you're going to need some scrap, okay, to stamp our greeting. All right, so let's go ahead and put our layers together. I'm going to move this gold out of the way. I'm going to use the liquid glue today. Okay, so we're going to set those aside to dry. Now we're going to put our Very Vanilla piece onto our gold foil sheet right here. And this is just going to give you 1/8 of an inch all the way around. That looks really pretty. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and put this piece into the card. Okay, so next I'm going to take the center piece, which is this color here, and I'm going to put that right in the middle of my Very Vanilla cardstock, right in the center. This is where the multi-purpose liquid glue is very forgiving, so you can maneuver it around, position it where it looks good, and then we're just going to build our other 2 pieces on the opposite side of that centerpiece. Okay, so now this piece is going to come down. Let me turn it the right way here. This one's just going to come down slightly, still keeping a little space between the layers. And then this piece is going to set up slightly higher on the opposite side. Like that. Okay, and we're going to put this on dimensionals. Let me grab those. Okay, just like that. So pretty. All right, now let's do some stamping. We're going to stamp the greeting and then we're going to emboss it. Okay, so now this piece of Very Vanilla, I cut this piece at 2.5 inches wide, because that's about how big my greeting is. It's going to fit perfectly onto this piece of Very Vanilla. So my greeting says, Life is Better with You. So this is actually about 2 1/4 inch wide. So I find, oh, let me get my embossing buddy. So 2.5, and I'm going to stamp that right at the top. Now what's nice is that if you cut a big enough piece, like when I made 5 cards for Lisa, I would go ahead and stamp the 5 greetings all on the piece of Whisper White or the Very Vanilla. So I stamped 2 of them together there. And then we're going to take our gold embossing powder. And it's not going to show up on camera. I'm just looking for where the greeting is on my paper. There, now you can see it so much better. Okay, so now let's grab our heat tool. Okay, so we're going to heat set this, and it's going to turn the powder into a liquid and make it really super shiny. So I'm going to fast forward this part because this is kind of noisy, but you want to be careful when you're using this heat tool that you don't burn your fingers because it gets really, really hot. Now I'm going to grab my trimmer, and I already know that this is 2.5 inches wide, which is what I wanted it to be. Now we're just going to cut that. Okay, so now we're just going to trim this down, and there's my greeting. And then if I had more greetings, I would just go ahead and trim that down, so it's a little bit easier. Okay, so there's our Life is Better with You. And then I have a piece of gold foil sheet. This piece is cut at 2 5/8 wide, so it's going to be a little bit bigger, right, than our greetings. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that onto our gold foil sheet, and then I'm just going to hand cut that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the liquid glue for that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim this down. You could also use your trimmer if you want. Okay, so there's my greeting. Now we're going to put that on dimensionals. Okay, so we're going to put this right in the center of our strips. So pretty, all that gold. And then one more thing, we're going to add some gilded gems. Grab my, take your pick tool. We're going to add a cluster of 3 of them in each of the corners here in the top left and the bottom right. Couple of the medium-sized ones and then one of the little ones. So pretty. Oh, I love it. And that's a card sketch. So here's the card sketch. So really the card sketches are a launching pad to start your creative juices flowing. So you can keep them as plain or as basic as you want, and then you can really jazz them up with some glimmer paper. You can add some foil paper. You can also move your card to go horizontal or vertical. So that's what's really nice about the card sketches. So like I said, this one is 147. And I post a new card sketch every Monday, so you might want to check that out where I give you all the measurements, and then you can check out the sample that I put with each of the cards. Okay, so here are the ones that I made for Lisa. So pretty. And then here's the one with the one that I made with the twist from the card sketch, using the heartwarming hugs. And this is also using the gold too. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.